Today we will learn about Docker Compose. And what Docker Compose means, when we want to run multiple containers, we will use Docker Compose. So if we have 100, if you want to run 100 containers manually, we can't run all the 100 containers. But using Docker Compose, we can run all the containers with a single command, Docker Compose. Okay, let us see practically. I am cloning this GitHub repository. Git clone, give the URL. You have to install the Git first, then only you can clone the repository. In my case, I already installed Git, so I am able to clone. Give ls command. This is the go inside this one. ls. We have Docker Compose file and Docker file. Let me show you Docker file. Docker file contains OpenJDK from base image, expose 800 port number, and add. And we have to run the java-jar. This one we will see. First we have to do is we have to build the project. What is the command? Using the maven goals clean and package, we should build the project. Maven should be installed first, then only you can run the goal mvn clean package. See, it is build is successful. Give ls, go to cd target, jar file will be created here. Go and check ls. See here, spring boot hyphen mysql.jar got created. Let me go back again, cd dot ls. Okay, right now we have build the project, so jar file is created. The next step is we need to build the docker file. So the command, we have to go into the docker compose file, cat docker compose file. Here the image they are using for the application is spring boot hyphen mysql hyphen app. So the image is this one. So we have when building the docker image, we have to use the same docker image. Okay, let me build the docker image first. Docker build hyphen t is the command. Next, this image I am giving here by when building, and give the dot. My docker file is present in the same path, so I am giving dot. Give enter. Right now docker build is in progress, so it will create the image with the name spring boot hyphen mysql hyphen app. Okay, that once it is successful guys, we go and docker images, give the command. You can see spring boot hyphen mysql hyphen app image created. So image is with us. Now what we have to do, we have to run the docker compose command. Okay, docker compose hyphen, let me see the command once. Docker hyphen compose up hyphen d. This is the command we have to use to run the containers. Which containers? Spring boot application and mysql. So two containers we are running with this command. For multiple application, whenever we have multiple applications, in case of microservices, we have to run multiple containers. In that case, we will use docker compose up hyphen d in detached mode. Let us run it. It's done, guys. Let me check the docker container status. Docker compose ps, I think. Docker compose ps. See, still here. It is in exit status. Application is exit status. Once again we go. Still it is in exit status only. Once again, it should come into upstate actually. This is taking time. Still taking time. Let me run the command once again. Docker compose up -d. Now we will check the command once again. Docker compose ps. Now it is showing up. See, so whenever it is in exit status, you run the command docker compose ps once again. So both the containers will be state will be up. Then only after that you have to open the 8080 port number. I already opened the port number in security group. Let me open this in the browser. Go here, see, already 8080 port is already open. Go to EC2 and take the instance. This is my instance. Take the IP, public IP, colon 8080, enter. Okay, book name is Docker Compose I am giving, author is Durga, price is 500, submit. See, the record came here now. The what we enter now, that record entered into database, so it is showing here. So let us check it. Let us cross check it in the database also. Let me first connect to the container. Go here to our terminal. Then docker. Let me execute docker ps command. So we can take the container ID. This is the container ID, right? Now docker exec -it and container ID, then /bin/bash, enter. Now right now you are in the container, you connected to the container. Now you need to connect to the MySQL -u root -p root. Give the password root 1049 unknown database root. Let me check this one. I already given previously, it entered successfully. Why it's not connecting, we'll see. What is the command we given? Docker exec -it /bin/bash. After that I have given the command mysql -u root. Give the command password root. See, connected. Now you have to use show databases. Show databases. See here, our database is SBMS. You can see also in the SBMS. So you have to use the command use SBMS command. Then database change to right now SBMS. Select star from book. See, records are coming. If I entered here once again, Docker Durga price 100 submit. See, one more record entered. Let me just give slash. What will happen? Not slash, again we have to give the command. See, now two records came, Docker compose and Docker. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.